Good morning, everybody. This is the B Man Scrapper. Kind of wet, rainy day here in East North Carolina, which is supposed to be like this all day. So anyway, I haven't been on here in a while. I've had some work been doing on our house, trying to kind of get it all checked out. We're thinking about moving in later on in the year, and I'm doing some repair work that I wanted to do to you know, uh, the house is old, it needs a little work done to it. But anyway, we're doing some stuff like that. But anyway, I was going to do a couple of tear downs today while the weather is so ugly. But anyway, uh, what I had here is I had a couple of gas grills, and I know everybody just kind of throws them in the dump. But anyway, I take these off. I don't know if you ever, this is the whole manifold set. It's got all the burners, the valves with all the orifices in it. There's a lot of brass and stuff in this, including, if you take the brass out of this, into this regulator that's pretty heavy, you got these steel lines. Some of them have got brass fittings on them and some of them don't. But anyway, I was going to tear this one apart, give you an idea of what's on it. But anyway, all right, what I'm going to do first is go ahead and get the gas line out of the way. So I'm just going to cut this off right here. And then you cut it off down here. And that's out of my way. And the next thing I do with these is I go ahead and try to get these valves off. And get rid of this manifold line or tube, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, take that off. Get that out of the way. Go ahead and take this gas line off. Get that down to that. They're just in the scrap metal. These, I go ahead and try to eliminate all the trash. All these clamps and stuff are all just steel. So get rid of them. Put everything in a pile right here. So go ahead and get rid of them. Then, let's see. You got one that you go in. Can't get to that one. But anyway, I'm gonna have to get me a different fitting for that. And I checked this to see if this is steel. This is stainless steel, but this is just regular scrap steel. We'll take that off. That off. Let's see if I can get this off. This is all steel. Let's see, let me check this. Now, I just did one of these the other day, a different one. A lot of times these are brass, but this one happens to be steel or metal. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get all of these off. This one might not be as good as the last one was when it comes to brass content, but probably not, since I was doing a video on it. But this is steel, but in here there's a brass fitting, or it's the stem that goes on. But anyway, we cleaned that up. These here, this one's what I think it is. That's all metal, and that's a little piece of cast. You can pull these little pins out. If I can get to it. You pull these little pins out right here, that'll come out. This is all just wasted metal there. But that's a little piece of cast aluminum. Ain't much, but anyway. So take that out. Let's see what I want to do here. This one, this comes out here, right here. See, that's aluminum. This is all aluminum, cast aluminum. So you can leave that all together. Let me see. I don't remember if that come out or not on this one. This has another little piece of brass that come out. Lay it there. Lay that there. If you look, you got these little brass orifices in the end. Take them out. It takes, whoops, let's see, where I had a little socket. I don't remember if I had the one that fits these or not. That one there, I'll try to. That's a 1/4 inch, we'll see. So there's a little piece of brass, put it there. And like I said, this is a little piece of cast aluminum here on that part. Put that over there. And this is all cast aluminum right here. So anyway, lay that there. Throw the spring away. Spring is the spring in it. If you find these springs in them. Oh, I lost it. Anyway, they're steel. But anyway, lay this over here, clean it later. Alright, now, I'm down to these 5 burners here. So now what I need to do is get them apart. And I got to get in here and get these screws out. I got to get a bigger screwdriver because this will not fit in there. Let's see. I got a different bit. All right, hold just a minute. Okay, I got what I need now. Got me a little bit bigger fitting for these screws. It's a rainy day today in the 60s. Chilly. The air is a little chilly, a little bit of wind blowing on these screws. Get that out. Okay. Take these screws out. Screws are out. But yeah, a lot of times these stems, like the last one I tore out, like I say, these right here were all brass, and that was a lot of good weight. These are aluminum. These here are aluminum, are aluminum on this one, but sometimes you get the brass one. The last one I done had a whole lot more brass than what this is gonna have in it. So anyway, but you get whatever it gives you if you want to mess with taking it down. It don't take me just a minute to tear this burner assemble out. It don't take like 4 screws. That bend one panel left off the grill. Where you bend a little side panel up on each end unless you want to go to trouble. Take about 4 screws and a couple of bolts that's got nuts on them out. But anyway, most times you can just cut the metal and bend it up a little bit, and it'll take it out. But anyway, let's see if we can get these. There's another orifice. Little orifice. I don't know about y'all, but everything I have done here lately, I have torn my hands all to pieces. I don't wear gloves all the time. I do most of the time. But when I'm doing this, I don't think about it. Plus, gloves are kind of bulky when I'm messing with stuff like this. Let's see. I think that's all the orifices. Get this from here out. Okay. Little orifices there. I got that out. Now, the next thing on these, let's see, how do I get this out here? Oh, these have got a snap ring on them. Let me see. Yep, this one's a little different than the other one. You look right there, there's a little snap ring right here. You bend them and get them off. Break them off or whatever it takes. And then you push them right out. But anyway, that takes that off. This is a brass washer. Put that over there. It's got grease on it. And this ends up being all aluminum on this one, cast aluminum. So we'll get these out. Oh, that was on that particular one. Okay. But anyway, we'll go ahead and take these out. Well, you don't really have to take them out. I don't know what I'm doing that for. You don't really have to take them out. Just got to get this snap ring off. Because the rest of this is all aluminum. Yeah, I'm just wasting my time. Pushing the stems out. Just wasting my time. But you learn as you go. And that rain's starting to come on down now. Let's see, I got a little rubber gasket on this piece. Got that off. Well, that's all cast aluminum. Let's see, let's get this. Take a screw out of here. Well, let's try something different here. Let's see if I can hold this. There. See, that's a pretty piece of brass. That was like the main valve there. Each one of them burners has got one of these. I know this video probably ain't gonna be that good. I'm not good, very good at this stuff. Still learning how to do it. I used to have GoPro cameras back in the day when I videoed a lot of beekeeping videos of going in boxes and finding the queens and eggs and talking about how everything works for them. I enjoyed that too. I kept my first bees in 1977. And that was a few moons ago. Alright. These are all cast. Oh. So anyway, I end up with that cast right there. There's another cast piece. Alright. Oh, I got one more right here. I missed the whole thing. Alright. Okay. Alright, now that brings us down to this. Okay. This here, where your valve is, where you hook it on your tank. This is a pretty heavy piece of brass right here. It takes a 18 metric socket to get it out. this little plastic off of here. That's a heavy piece of brass right there. Put that over here in the brass pile. Where my screwdriver went, I'll find that after a while, I reckon. There it is. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and take this out. This is the one I missed. Another piece of cast. Okay, this is a steel line. Let's see, I'm going to cut this and cut them two. I'm going to cut these two ends off to get this stainless steel out. I'm going to split this here to get that brass stem out and under here. Well, that might be aluminum down. Let me see. Let me check that. I don't know where my little magnet went. On the floor. Let me see. That's still there, but anyway, let's cut these off. My goggles down here a little bit. I mean my face shield. I used to get the one of them. I was younger then. But that's a piece of stainless steel. That's Cuban. And this is just, and there's a little bit of stainless in there, but I'm not going to go through trouble to do with that. But anyway, alright, let's get back over here. Here's my regulator. This ended up being all aluminum here, and I'm gonna see if I can. I break this off around here and get the metal, the spring and all out of there. Let me see if I can do that right quick. And what I do, I don't know if you can see it that far away. Well, I won't worry about showing you that. But anyway, there's just a spring and a rubber piece up under there. That's all that's in there. So that's a pretty good piece of cast. But anyway, when you get through with this, you got a good little pile of cast aluminum. And you've got a pretty good little pile of brass. Let me go ahead and cut this off. Get that out. I forgot about I had a little brass, another little brass fitting on there. Tell you one thing, old side grinder's the best thing to ever made for doing this kind of stuff. But it can hurt your tooth, so. Anytime you mess with metal, you can cut yourself up pretty bad. I didn't quite cut this as deep as I needed to. But anyway, see, that's a nice brass piece that was inside. I'm sorry the way this video is going. I'm probably moving a little too fast. But anyway, this, like I say, this nuts they're just made it. So anyway. So I think this is what we come up with, everything. So anyway. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. But anyway, I've got this little container here teared out. Let's see. Let's see if I can set it up a little bit so maybe you can see. I don't know if you can see it or not. But put it back on might help get it on. Just back over here. Yeah, I think you can see it a little bit. I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna put it up here. I'll tell you what it is, but anyway, I'll tear this little pot out so we know what we got here. We'll see what it is. But anyway, we got grams. Let's get we're gonna go with just ounces. So anyway, if I put all this stuff in there. If I can get it all in this little pot. Like I'm going to. Oops. Okay, we got 13.69 ounces of cast aluminum. And then we'll put all the brass in here. Well, 4.52 ounces of brass. So anyway, if that stuff, I mean, it'll add up. It'll add up if you got time to mess with it. And this little piece of stainless steel probably won't even weigh 0.53 of an ounce. But anyway, just a video I wanted to make on this. The last one I done that had all these ends and these stems here that were brass. They had a little bit more in them. They were, I think I got 1.5 pounds of brass or something when I got through with that. But anyway, just a little video to show you here. I know it went kind of long, but anyway. All right, I want everybody to have a blessed day, great Sunday, and I hope all of you are blessed. Have a good day. All right, bye.